In this video, I will show you how you can extract the audio from a video on any iPhone. Now, first of all, let's record a video. Now, I will extract the audio of this video. As you can see, this is the video which I have recorded. Now, to extract the audio of this video, just go to your home screen and open the app library. And from here, just look for the Shortcuts app. If you cannot find the Shortcuts app over here, just open the App Store and download the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. After you find the Shortcuts app, just download it to your iPhone. Then tap on Open. Now under the Library section, just tap on the plus icon. Now in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Select Photos, then tap on the blue arrow over here. In front of Include, just tap on All, and make sure you select Videos. And after you do that, then tap on Done. Now if you want to extract the audio of multiple videos, you can enable this toggle, otherwise you can keep it disabled. Now after you've done that, now in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Encode Media, then tap on the arrow icon over here, and make sure you enable the toggle for audio only. Now after you do that, then tap on the search bar again. Now this time, just search this. Tap on Save File, and after you've done that, then tap on the drop down arrow over here, and tap on Rename. And from here, you can rename the shortcut which you have created. Now I will name this shortcut Video to Audio. And after you rename your shortcut, then tap on Done. Now if you go back, as you can see, this is the shortcut which we have created. Now to extract the audio from any video on your iPhone, just tap on the shortcut, then select the video of which you want to extract the audio. Then tap on Done. Now in the Files app, just select the location where you want to save the audio file. Now for an example, I will save it over here, then tap on Open. And once you do that, you will extract the audio of the video. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the Files app, now just look for the location where you have saved your audio file. And as you can see, this is the audio which we have extracted from the video. Now I will extract the audio of this video. Just like that. Now I will extract the audio of this video. And this is how you can extract the audio from any video on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.